The Eswatini Weights and Measures section, Metrology, was formally established in 1975 through the Weights and Measures Order of 1975 that was repealed in 1991 by the Metrology Act of 1991. This was after the Kingdom of Eswatini had promulgated the Metric System Order of 1973 that saw the country adopting the SI metric system of measurement. Essentially, the Weights and Measures Department is the National Measurement Office responsible for the administration and control of metrology in the Kingdom of Eswatini as per the Act. The department was established to provide trust and confidence in measurements used in the kingdom. It embraces the legal, industrial, and elements of scientific metrology for ensuring traceability and comparability of measurements with the rest of the globe. As such, it has served as a foundation and a precursor institution of standardization activities in Eswatini, playing a significant advocacy on government in that regard. It has developed technical regulations and specifications that ensure the technical part of verifying measuring instruments used in trade are carried properly. Metrology surely is not the study of weather, meteorology. Yet the weather experts uses measurement units to measure their weather analysis. Metrology is the science of measurement and its application. It includes all theoretical and practical aspects of measurements, whatever the measurement uncertainty and field of application. Metrology has mainly three arms, which are industrial, scientific, and legal metrology. These can be further subdivided into many disciplines. Almost all measurements in metrology are centered on the International System of Units, SI units. Metrology is very important to the economy because correct and precise measurements are critically needed in all spheres of life. As a result, the globe is able to communicate to each other mainly through measurements, be it trade, health, manufacturing, communication, time, etc. The wealth of nations depends upon the ability to manufacture and trade precisely made and tested products and components. Trade between countries often involves huge amounts of money. Therefore, a small error in measurement, for example, flow rates and quantities of oil and gas, can represent a significant amount of money. Economic globalization often requires that individual parts of complex engineered structures are manufactured in different countries. Metrology ensures that these parts fit together when the final system is assembled. For this reason, large multinational companies often have their own metrology departments. The tremendous advances in microelectronics in the last 40 years would have not been possible without metrology in the continual improvement of microchip production. The development of fast computers allows engineers to design new microcircuits, which in turn allows better computers and other devices. In our daily life, metrology is applied in areas such as communication, health, aviation, safety, and consumer protection. Satellite navigation systems and international time correlation make accurate location possible. These systems allow networking between computer systems around the world and permit aircraft to land safely in poor visibility. Human health depends on our ability to make accurate diagnosis requiring measurements. For example, determining the level of cholesterol in the blood. Breath analyzers are used to measure alcohol levels in the body. Consumer protection for all measured traded goods such as bread, fuel, and pre-packs. The mission of the Weights and Measures Department, Metrology, is to provide the Kingdom of Eswatini trade, industry, environmental, health, safety, and all sectors with accurate and precise fit-for-purpose measurement standards and measurements. This is achieved by keeping and maintaining the national measurement standard and units to an acceptable international standard, and by disseminating traceability to these sectors. Through metrology regulatory control, the department provides consumers, trade and industries with metrological support services that ensures equitable and uniform trade dealings conducted on the basis of measurement, and the promotion of international system of units is achieved through verifications, calibrations, inspections, consumer protection for all measured traded goods, for example bread, fuel, pre-packs, etc., conducting relevant workshops and trainings, and enforcement of metrology law, type and pattern approval of new instruments to be used in trade, and registration of repairers of measuring instruments used in trade. Current areas of measurements and discipline include mass, volume, and length. Other current measurement areas being developed include pressure and temperature. Weights and measures overarching objectives includes level playing fields and support for industry, international confidence in traded goods based on measurements, consumer protection, control of fraud, etc. The metrology section in Eswatini has been serving industry and trade structures, providing them with accurate and precise measurement for over 45 years. This includes, among others, the petroleum industry, sugar, citrus, etc. in agriculture, mining, dairy industry, public structures such as police and others, retail markets, verifications and calibrations conducted throughout the country to ensure the Act is complied with. Strategic plan for the Weights and Measures Department to Vision 2022 is to provide the Kingdom of Eswatini's economy with expert measurement capabilities that will ensure industry and trade can process and trade with more accuracy to the international markets, especially SADC, SACU, COMESA, and African Continental Free Trade Area. Provide consumer protection to the Kingdom of Eswatini consumers on traded measured goods. Have harmonized regulations for the International Organization of Legal Metrology and SADC. And to have harmonized technical specifications in pre-packaging and labeling that promotes local and external trade.